Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by clearing the runway. Install any pending Windows updates and then restart. This avoids version conflicts. Once done, close heavy programs and save documents so updates can replace files cleanly. Make sure to run the store or the app updater as an administrator. This grants the permissions required to write to protected folders. You're initiating the updater now. Search the store or the app's help menu, select updates, and queue the updates you need. This sequence minimizes failed installs and file lock errors. You proceed to the core steps. Read the release notes to spot breaking changes or new dependencies that might require extra installs. Then choose an order. Prioritize security and productivity apps, installing them one at a time to catch errors, while small utilities can update in parallel for speed. As updates run, watch disk space, CPU, and network. Low resources cause corruption. If performance dips, pause non-essential updates and free space. This careful execution reduces rollbacks and ensures clean upgrade. You finish by restarting the PC to finalize installations and then verify app versions in About or Settings so you know the update succeeded. Once confirmed, test core features and reapply any custom settings or extensions that sometimes reset. If something broke, roll back the app or restore a recent backup. Then check update logs or event viewer to identify the error code. If needed, uninstall and reinstall the latest stable release from the vendor. This approach gets you back to a working state quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.